Hi, it's Jeff with Sunnyland Patio. Today I'd like to show you how to make a strap off the roll. Welcome to our shop. Alright, so to make our own vinyl straps off the roll, a couple things we'll need. We'll need a pair of cutters. These are tin snips, they work well. You can get some pretty heavy pairs of scissors and a drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit on it, a piece of wood that you can drill onto, so you don't ruin your table or, then you'll need the roll of vinyl and a tape measure. Alright, so to begin, you'll first have to have measured your chair, which you can see also in the link below for instructions. But we're going to use an example. We're going to take the example that we measured 25 inches, off of the frame of where the strap lies. Now we need to reduce that measurement by 10%. So the 25 inches, minus 10%, which is 2.5 inches, is going to bring us to 22.5 or 22.5 inches. So that'll be the size that we're cutting our strap that it's going to finish to. This will make it so that once we heat the strap and stretch it on there, that when it cools that it's tight again. So going to 22.5 inches, I've laid out my roll next to my ruler, and I'm going to go to the 22.5 inch mark here, and you can see underneath me, and I'm just going to cut that at the 22.5 inch size. So now I have my first strap. Once you get going with this, also you can use your first strap to go with your second strap, and just lay it on top also. But an important idea though too is just before you go and make all your straps, check one first. That's where you're not sorry that you could have made it a little looser or a little tighter. After we've cut that to our measurements, what we're going to do is we're just going to clip off the ends, and that keeps it out of your way, when you go to install the strap. Kind of just a little cut off, dog-eared, and we'll cut that off there. And so then all we need to do is to lay this on top of a block. Then we have our drill with the 1/4 inch drill bit. You want to come in about a 1/4 inch from the edge of the strap. Make sure that you won't tear it out. And so then we're just going to drill that hole, clean it on there, and you've got a pretty clean hole now to put your fastener. We'll do the other side. Again, 1/4 inch in from the end. Clean that out a little bit, and we're ready to go. And what we'll do is we would fasten our fastener inside of that hole, and then this is where we would put it into the hot or the boiling water for 3 minutes in order to heat that up properly and then stretch it onto the frame. Now that we've completed our strap, this is where we would put it into our boiling water and drop it in there for the 3-minute time period. Here we're using a turkey fryer, but you can always use a stovetop pan, or even put a pan with water in it outside there on the grill. Sometimes that's pretty convenient for where you're working. Well, I hope that was helpful in turning your rolls into vinyl straps for your patio furniture project. This is Jeff with Sunnyland Patio. Thanks for watching.